So today is a follow-up video to the assembly video that I did for this weed eater. So there's I've gotten a lot of comments on the end of my last video about where I put this thing together, and the reason for the comments was the camera angle was bad, basically, and so you couldn't see how I was putting this thing on. So I wanted to follow up. I've got it on my bench today. I'm going to just basically put this piece back on. Now obviously it's dirty. I've been using this thing. I've been pretty happy with it, but I just wanted to do an in-depth kind of video on how to actually put the protective cover on the end of the weed eater, how to line it up, and then how to adjust the line length, because there's an adjustment. You can make it either 11 or 13 inches, as it says right here. So this is a little guide that's going to help you to install this thing in the proper orientation. You've got your 3 screw holes here. You've got a cutout here that matches this little tooth that's sticking up. So flip this over. You can actually see it from the bottom side too, so you just want to make sure that's lined up. When you put this on the first time, I don't think this thing is on here. It might be, but either way, you just put your string through there if it's already on there. Line it up with that piece, and it should kind of snap into place or slide into place without much trouble. You take your 3 screws. You've got little standoffs here, little receivers for those screws. Just tighten them up. You don't want to over tighten. Just you know, put them in until they're nice and snug. And that's it. That's it for mounting this. Now here you'll see we've got another little place that can be adjusted. This is the blade that actually removes the excess string as it's spinning. If you have it closer to the outside, this blade that sticks up, if you have that facing the outside, that's going to give you a 13-inch line. If you spin it around like so, that's going to give you an 11-inch line. So it's gonna, or 11-inch cut, I should say. So the from this point to the other end of the line will be 11 inches, whereas if you spin it around this way, you're going to have a 13-inch diameter across the cut path for the line. Now I wanted a longer cut. I wanted the 13-inch, so I flipped mine around like this. Just put your screw in, and that's all there is to it. So for any of you that had questions about how you mount this piece, it's pretty straightforward. You just got your 3 screws, you've got your notch cut out there, line all that up, turn it so it's in place, should slide in pretty easily, and then you just put your screws in. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did have questions about that, I appreciate the comments that I've gotten on it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below. Like the video if it helped you out, and I hope to see you around real soon. Thanks a lot.